In an era of software innovations, Google has one neat hardware trick in the Pixel 11, but not for the whole lineup though. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Google has added a new feature called HiLight in the Pixel 11 Pro that will light up in different colors to notify the phone's owner that something's happening on the phone while the device lies face down. One of the major uses of HiLight is phone calls. You can go into your contacts and assign custom light colors to individual people. There are no more than 6 or 7 options, and they were chosen to avoid confusion for people. All the colors look pretty distinct, so even a color-deficient person could easily tell them apart. Strangely, HiLight doesn't seem to work with text messages at this point, but the new functionality will come in the future though. The only other use case that can be of HiLight was that it'll light up in a rainbow pattern when Gemini is in use. Smartphone enthusiasts will immediately recognize this as being inspired by Nothing's hardware design. That company has been making phones with light patterns on the rear side for years for this same purpose. However, those tend to be bigger, more gaudy, and more feature-rich than HiLight is so far. It's good how visually modest HiLight is though. The functionality seems a bit thin at launch. Apart from the limited use, the other catch is that HiLight isn't available on the base Pixel 11 phone. The same circular object is still present in the camera bar, but it doesn't light up for notifications as it does on Pro devices. HiLight is cool, but it would make a much bigger impression if every Pixel 11 owner could use it. Since the base Pixel 11 is closer to a Pro experience thanks to the recent addition of a telephoto lens, maybe Google felt the need to distinguish the two models a little bit more. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update.